Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren Singh thanked the public for their immense contribution in the war against drugs campaign. He said that the government's effort in eradicating drugs in the state would not have been possible without the contributions made by the masses. He said this while flagging off Wars Against Drugs rally at Kangla Western Gate today. Committee of Civil Societies Kangleipak CCSK organized the rally. The 15-day AMFA Grassroots Football Development Program 2021 kicked off today at Moirang Multipurpose Higher Secondary School ground, Moirang. The program was organized by District Football Association DFA Moirang under All Manipur Football Association AMFA. A total of 850 players, both boys and girls, aged from 6 to 14 of Thanga and Kumbi constituency will take part in the AMFA Grassroots Football Development Program. All Manipur College Teachers Association AMCTA and Federation of Government College Teachers Association FEGOCTA has called off their ongoing strike after the government resolved to pay as per 7th UGC pay scale. The said pay scale will begin from July 2021. Notably, AMCTA and FEGOCTA had been undergoing strike demanding implementation of 7th UGC pay scale for quite some time. Volunteers of Sunday Eco Club and brand ambassador of Chief Minister's Green Manipur Mission, Valentina Ilangwam, took stock of ANGAAN CHING Eco Park in Kukching district today. It may be mentioned that a wildfire broke out on Friday last, destroying several plants there. As part of the program, the team also planted various tree saplings at ANGAAN CHING Eco Park. As many as 18,711 new COVID-19 cases and 100 deaths were reported in India in the last 24 hours, the Union Health Ministry informed today. A media report said the country's overall COVID-19 cases tally has reached 1,12,10,799, including 1,84,523 active cases, while the death toll has mounted to 1,57,756. A total of 22,14,30,507 samples have been tested for COVID-19 up to March 6, 2021. Of these, 7,37,830 samples were tested yesterday as per the Indian Council of Medical Research ICMR. Manipur registered 2 new COVID-19 cases in the last 24 hours, taking the total tally to 29,288. The coronavirus active cases have decreased to 31, while the recovered cases is 28,884, according to COVID-19 Common Control Room. The fresh cases were reported from Imphal East and Noni districts. The recovery rate is 98.63% as of 11 a.m. today, while the death toll stands at 373.